Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here with Cinema Sound. Today we're going to be looking at an open box of the AKG podcasting mic, the Lyra, the Lyra. Let's roll. All right, here's what we got here. There's the box. Yay, super cool. This is a very interesting microphone because it has multipolar patterns. It both does cardioid, it does all kinds of multi-channel surround kind of action for recording ambiances, as well as what I believe figure 8, and it's USB, so it's super cool. Let's check this out. So we're just going to open this here. And I have not opened this, so I have no idea what's in here. Here's a free copy of Ableton Live 10, which comes with it. Light, our warranty. Congratulations, awesome. And here's all the instructions, which I'm pretty sure we'll need because this is a bit of a complex microphone, not your usual fare. And inside here is the microphone. Awesome. Pull this out. Ooh, that is really in there. They really want this to not have any damage. Let's just double check we know what we're doing here. Yeah, it's really, really tight. Let's see here. Wow. I'll tell you what, let's do. Let's pull this out. What a concept. And now, let's just pull this whole thing out so you can see what it is. Nothing else in there. And then this is 2 halves. And the reason it won't come out is because there's a stand in there as well. Yay. Pretty cool. Oh, there's cables. Now that's empty. We'll stand this just here. And what do we got? We've got a 1/4-inch microphone adapter here, which is always handy. And a USB to, looks like USB-C. USB regular, well, you can't see that. USB regular to USB-C. And this breaks into 2 pieces. How cool is that? All right, then let's take this off. It's super cool. So just so you know, don't try to force that thing like I did. And of course, the ever-important gel packs to keep things dry. And in here, we've got this. You can't see any of that. So on the front, looks like a headphone output as well as a mute. And on the back, this is the microphone polar pattern. 4 of them looks like. And then the overall microphone gain. On the bottom, this is where we've got the USB output and then a headphone output. And then, of course, the microphone itself on a stand, which, if I don't miss my guess, I don't know if you can see this, but a little screwdriver action here. Let's see. I'll have to look at the instructions to figure out how to pull this out of here so we can mount it on a stand, on a regular microphone stand, because as always, whenever we put a microphone that's podcasting on a table down here, it doesn't really entertain us that well. And of course, it has a nice little rubber foot mount here. So this is pretty cool. Microphone that comes with your USB cable, a 1/4-inch mount, and we're good to go. So that's the Lyra. Looks really sharp too. I like that it's its own vintage design. And you probably can't see inside here because of the lighting. Yeah, you probably can see because the light would need to shine through. But there's actually 2 capsules in here. It's going to be interesting for us to do our review and use this very soon. Thanks for subscribing to us here on this channel. And if you want to know more about how to do podcasting, come to the cinemasound.com site where we have hundreds of videos and articles on how to do just that, including a new series on podcasting, multiple hours of how to do everything to sound great. And lots of things to fill your bandwidth, as well as the brand new Cinema Sound Foley library that's MIDI controlled on contact. We hope to see you at cinemasound.com. Until then, we'll see you on your podcast.
Even if it's for yourself.